Hi everyone, Ivana Taylor here. I'm the publisher of DIYmarketers.com and I'm a member of the Small Bizfluence online event team. So today I'm going to take you behind the scenes. We've just finished one of our team meetings and we were having a conversation early on about what we should call this event. So now you're going to get an over-the-shoulder view of a brainstorming session. Now, this is very early on, so some of these names may be in it, may not be in it. I'm going to show you what I've done, and we're going to do one together and, see if we see anything you like, anything that we like together that might ultimately be the name of this event. So the way ChatGPT works is I just want to do a quick overview here. ChatGPT is like talking to an assistant. Imagine that you have an intern working for you, but you tell the intern who they are in your prompt. Your prompt is really the instruction that you're going to give the AI to do what it is that you want it to do. In this case, I'm telling the AI, because I want to come up with a name for an event, I've decided that I want my AI to be a brilliant award-winning copywriter. And I told it that it's promoting an online event called Future Proofing Your Business. And then I listed some promises and I told it the format that I wanted to do. And this is the first thing that it gave me. Future proof your business, de-stress, simplify, and finally succeed. That's actually not bad. And it gave me some descriptions, maybe marketing descriptions that I could eventually use for this event. So then what I did is I picked one and I decided that this one, Future Proof Your Business, De-Stress, Simplify, and Finally Succeed, is something that's very, very close to what I want. And I copied that because that's the one I want to use. And I told it, just like I would to a person, I like this one. Give me 5 variations of the name Future Proof Your Business as the start. And then it started doing this and it's given me even more options. Then I said, these are really good. Now, this is really interesting, right? I said, now I wanted to see what if we did it much shorter? And then I got these options, right? But now I'm going to do something fun and we're going to continue on with this. I'm going to show you an example. Then I said, this time I want you to use the style and tone of Shanda Sumter. Now, Shanda Sumter is the online event queen. She's really, really good at naming online events. She says she's not, but I disagree. She's really good at this. So I told it to use the style and tone of Shanda Sumter. Now, the key thing to this is the person who you mention here. Remember, this AI is using a database from up through November of 2021, but it can definitely grab the tone of someone who has a lot of content online. So we're going to tell it that, right? And this is exactly what it did. I can tell because I follow and have worked with Shanda Sumter, and I can tell that this is very much some of the word choices that she used. And then I said, this is really terrific. Let's do some more. And then it did some more. But now I'm going to say, okay, we're going to take all of this. But now I happen to do, I don't want to, you can edit these up top, but I don't want to do that. I actually want to see this continual, I want to keep this entire thing because as you see each one of these, see how it says future proof? Every single one of these is a single conversation. I've given the AI context, so everything in here, I don't have to repeat myself, even though this case I'm going to. It just works for me. Now I'm going to change this and I'm going to use Brendan Burchard. Okay? And everything else is the same. These are pain points for our audience. So now let's see what it does. And it's kind of doing that. So you can change the voice and tone. But now I'm going to show you something else. I happen to publish a blog. If you have content online, a lot of content online, you can actually use your own name. I have a lot of content online up through November of 2021. So I'm going to say, and I'm going to specifically tell it, I'm going to do that. Let's see what it comes up with. No, it's thinking. So it's actually using my own tone of voice based on the content from my website. So ChatGPT is an awesome, awesome brainstorming tool. This is how I use it. We may choose to use one of these. Other team members are doing the same thing. We may choose to use one of these. We may not. We may choose to edit some of these. But either way, I think that you're going to just love using this. Go ahead, get on ChatGPT and start brainstorming names for your events or for your webinars or anything else that you're doing.